Hello to day 2. As you can see, the color has actually leveled really nicely. I'm pleasantly surprised, but I've decided on a second coat, so that's what we'll do today. And also, after my minor panic attack yesterday, I have figured out how to do this properly without making a giant mess. I mean, hopefully. So here we go. So I finished my second layer and I'm pretty happy with it. I think that's going to be it. So really good. I'm very happy. Have a look.
Last thing to do when the paint was dry was just to reinstall the sockets.